Students at Milwaukee Public Schools could start the new year learning from home. New recommendations from the district superintendent call for a three-phased approach, starting with virtual classes.
The district's roadmap to readiness, as they're calling it, is 256 pages long. Tom Durian gives us the Cliffs Notes.
The reopening plan for the nearly 80,000 students at MPS begins with a phased-in approach. Phase 1 will be completely virtual. Students would start classes with traditional and early start calendars, but no students would be allowed in school buildings. The movement to all consecutive phases will depend on monitoring COVID-19 cases and input from the local health department and the CDC. Phase 2 will be a mix of in-school and virtual learning. Students would go to school 2 days a week and learn virtually 3 days, and groups of students would rotate in and out of schools. Phase 3 would send all students back to school with a virtual option for those with health requirements. School board member Bob Peterson says the goal is to get back to in-classroom learning as it is safe.
Certainly the health and safety of our students and staff is essential. At the same time, the education, we are responsible for the education of our students, and nobody contests that face-to-face isn't better than remote learning.
He said he was hoping for good community input to help board members make their decision, and they got it. More than 31,000 responses to the survey sent out on reopening late last month, the majority of them from parents. The starkest differences came between families and students and staff, with more than 76% of parents and 78% of students wanting kids back in the classroom 5 days a week with a virtual option. The first choice of staff was having students come back 2 days a week and the rest virtual. As with the rest of the world, social distancing will be key, starting on the school bus, where those that used to hold 71 students will now hold 12. And in the classroom, desks will be separated to distance students, and increased cleaning and sanitizing are in the plan.
To think that there's one right answer is absurd. We just have to balance all the factors and do what's best for our community.
So these are basically the administration's guidelines. They will go before the full school board at a public meeting on Thursday. If you want to read all the documents that were released today, they are on our website. Reporting outside the MPS headquarters, Tom Durian, TMJ4 News.